Hi, this is Daria Shabbat with CorporateProfile.com. I'm here today with Sam Seiden, Vice President of Online Trading Academy. Sam, how are you? Thank you so much for being here today.
Good to be here, thanks.
Sam, how do you recommend investors to achieve their goals?
Well, it's interesting because it's no secret, most traders don't do very well. Most longer-term investors never come close to achieving their financial goals. Why is that? It's because people don't realize that from a very young age, everybody is conditioned to do this the wrong way. If you compare the average trader investor's returns to the average Wall Street firm's returns, I think we'd all agree it's pretty lopsided. So if you think about it, what does the average person do? They buy stocks. What is Wall Street's primary business? Selling stocks. So one group's buying stocks, the other group's selling stocks, and they're making all the money. Why is that? Well, think about how that average trader or investor is taught to do this, really from a very young age. We're all taught to make sure it's a good company with a strong balance sheet, healthy management, really good earnings, and then the golden rule, make sure that price of the stock is in an uptrend before we buy it. Well, when all those things are true and we push the buy button, where do you think the price of the stock is? Is it at wholesale prices where Wall Street is buying, or is it at retail prices? The answer is it's always at or near retail prices, very high. So people are trained and conditioned, to buy high and sell low in the market when Wall Street's really just doing the opposite. And I think the big thing that people miss is they don't realize that how you properly buy and sell anything in life, how you make money buying and selling anything is exactly what you need to be doing in the markets, whether you're a short-term trader, longer-term investor, which begs the question, well, why isn't everybody taught to do it right? Well, what if the public started buying at wholesale prices and selling at retail prices? The Wall Street firm would have no one to buy and sell from, but I think you get the point.
Yes, I think we do. Sam, by the way, congratulations. I hear you recently won the Best Educator of the Year award from fxstreet.com, which is amazing. Tell us about that.
I did. I was very fortunate to get that award. And again, it kind of ties into what we just talked about. With Online Trading Academy, what we do and what I really preach out there is the real world way of trading and investing. I started my career on the floor of the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. So again, I was very fortunate to see how this stuff really works versus, again, the book version, which is what everybody else is doing. So getting out in the education world and really preaching that, I guess people appreciated that, I guess.
Yes, they do, I'm sure. Sam, tell us more about the Online Trading Academy.
Online Trading Academy, we're a school, a real school, not a weekend seminar company. We've got over 30 locations around the world, training centers. It's a serious school for people that are learning how to become good short-term traders, good longer-term investors. You go through the course. We have an undergraduate program where you come into the training center, take a 7-day course. You're trading with our money when you start doing it in the class, not your own. We don't want you to risk your own money while you're learning how to do this. But then when you go into the graduate program, that's online, and it's been a very successful few years for us, and it's only getting better. We're opening up centers all the time, all around the world, Asia, Europe, all over the United States. It's for people who are serious about learning how to do this. So people that take the classes, again, they can retake them anywhere. If you live in New York and you took a class here and you want to take a trip to London or maybe Singapore, you can take the class there.
Oh, well, I certainly love Singapore. Sam, so where can we get more information on Online Trading Academy?
Anybody can go to www.tradingacademy.com. And a good place to start, you don't have to spend any money. There's two, if I were to point you in the direction of some really quality free information, you want to start with the articles. I write an article every week, and it's right there on the homepage. You don't even have to put in any information. The articles and the recordings, and which you can find under free resources.
Fantastic. We love free resources. Thank you so much, Sam, for being here today. This was Daria Shabbat with CorporateProfile.com. I just spoke to Sam Seiden, Vice President of Online Trading Academy. Please tune in again for more interesting interviews and hot financial news.